Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm back again to share another design team project, this time from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. Let me go ahead and share what I created for you guys this week. Now let me just share the supplies that I used. I used these pink leaf charms. These are super cute. They're very, very light, so they almost look like cream, but they're actually a very, very pale pink. They have the green leaf also. So leaves come in both colors. And isn't that such a pretty green color? I also used the holiday hat with the white pom-poms. They have also the holiday hat with the pink, like a very bright pink pom-pom on it. But I didn't use that one. And then I used the Christmas bake sale, and I used all of it. I also used the mixed deer charms, and I used the pink one. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I made. All right, so for my first project share, I used these bangles, and with these, you kind of have to go simple because there's just that one little loop where you can add your charm, and I guess I could have put 2 charms on there, but I decided to keep it simple. So this is just a fun autumn charm, and so I just did the leaf. So all I did was just use a jump ring to attach that on there. Super simple, but like I said, usually with these I really like to keep them simple like this, and I think that would look really nice on someone's wrist, right? And this is just a little too big for me, but super cute. And then for my second project, I created some earrings. So I used this round hoop, and I got that from Amazon, and all I did was open that up and then put some beads through it, and I just got these beads, I think from Michael's, and I just used the pink and the very, very light pink, and then also the pearl white, and these are glass beads. And then I just went ahead and put the little snow cap, or the little hat charm with a jump ring in the middle, and then I used 2 more jump rings to attach the earring hook. And I think it came out so cute. They're like, it's adorable. I think I'm actually going to wear this one because I just love it. So I did create a pair of these. And the next time I will come back and maybe do a tutorial on this because I think they're just so adorable. These hoops are just fun to create with if you like hoop earrings, which I do. You know, we could always like change up the inside charm, but I think this one is really cute. It's just a fun hoop earrings. So love how that came out. Oops, that one. And then for my last project, I did create a charm bracelet. I was inspired by a Christmas bracelet that I recently bought, and I had to recreate it, and I knew I wanted to use these charms because they're just so pretty. I mean, look at that. So I used again the chain I got from Michael's, and then all I did was I wire wrapped some beads. I used white, and I used this pretty red. And then I put the charms in between the beads, and I just used some jump rings again And this one's the Santa, the little cookies and milk for Santa. And then this pretty charm here, which is the mittens, the kitchen mittens. And then, of course, the gingerbread house. And then the cookie, Christmas cookie. And then that cute little car with the tree on top. And super simple, but isn't that cute? And this one does fit me, so I will wear this one. And I'm just going to show you this way. Of course, that's not how I would wear it, but just so you can see the charms. That's how it would look. I would have to tighten it a little bit though, so hold on one sec. But isn't that beautiful? I love it. So it's my little, it's actually very like gingerbread themed bracelet. So I love how that looks. I'm just showing it to you this way. Of course, if I was wearing this, then the charms would be flipped over on the other side and they will hang right here. But anyway, that is my project share for today. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which ones you like, if you like the earrings or if you liked the bracelets. I think they're just all so pretty and super easy to create. If you guys haven't picked up these charms, oh my gosh, if you like, you know, baking themed things, you got to pick these up. Very inexpensive. I think it's only $2.99 for the whole set, you know, excluding the beads, of course. You have to use your own beads and chain, but it's so fun to create these. And this one too, these are super easy to create. I will come back with a tutorial on this one, and maybe we'll use a different charm in the middle. But yeah, very simple, cute jewelry. And make sure you do visit Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, and don't forget to use my coupon code. I will be leaving that in the description box, so make sure you use that for some savings. All right guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.